All right, everybody, here you have your core bytes, number 154. So for the first one, it says list the factor pairs of 100. So basically, you're saying what two numbers can you multiply together as a pair to give you 100? So start at 1. So we could do 1 times 100. We could do 2 times 50 gives you 100. 3 wouldn't work, but you could do, think of quarters, you could do 4 times 25. You could do 5 times 20. And you could do 10 times 10. And all of those would give you 100. Okay? For number 2, it says find the difference of 100,000 and 5,999. So for this one, we're going to work it out right here. Okay? So your larger number is 100,000. Line it up with 5,999. Difference means you're going to subtract. Okay, you're trying to find out what is left. Okay, so if you notice, you cannot take something from nothing. That's a 0. So you're going to have to regroup and borrow. Okay, so 0, 10, bring it over, make it a 9. Bring it over, make it a 9. Bring it over, make it a 9. Bring it over, make it a 9, bring it over. Okay, all the way over. So 10 minus 9 gives you 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring your comma down. 9 minus 5 would give you 4. 9 minus nothing, which is 0, gives you 9. So your difference is 94,001. For the next one, you're trying to see which sentence is true. So you have some decimals here. So remember with the decimals, you always look and see which number is in the ones place, which is in the whole numbers place first. Okay, so here you've got a 2, a 0, and a 4. Okay, 2 is not less than 0. That's wrong. Okay, here you've got 4, 2, 0. 4 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 0. So that one looks pretty good. Then the last one, you've got 0, 2, 4. 0 is not greater than 2. Okay? So you've just got to eliminate based on what you know. So the best answer, the only answer would be B. Okay? The next one, you have an actual protractor today. So it says, give the measure of the angle. So as you can see, it does go past 90 degrees, which would be a right angle. So you're counting up, so 90, 100, 110, 120, and between 110 and 120 would be right there. So that would be 115 degrees. And then for your last one, if two lines intersect to form 4 right angles, what type of lines are they? So that's a great question. So the answer for this one would be perpendicular. And the reason why would be because if it's 4 right angles, it would be, just pretend they're straight lines. And you've got right angles, 90-degree angles all the way around, right? If you're doing parallel, it's like you're on the interstate. If you're doing intersecting, they're just randomly, it's like you're at an overpass going over a bridge, okay, type thing. So the only one that would work would be perpendicular. Okay, so guys, please check yours and let us know if you have any questions.